Cole, that's my dinner. That's my dinner. No, no, that's not yours. Silly boy.
Hi, everybody out there in Cameraland. My name's Cole.
I'm the newest member. This is Cole.
Hi, sweetie. He's a good boy, but he doesn't have a meow. He's a mute. But he's a beautiful boy. Yes, you are. Look in the camera. Say hi, everybody.
Oh, I'm putting him down.
Okay, go. Oh, he's tired. He ran quite a bit.
No, no. That's your big sister's bowl. Cole. Cole. Hi.
Oh, they're pulling the car. Oh, they're pulling the car that.
Uh-oh. Do you like that? Does it smell good? Woo! No, no, no table. No table. No table. Woo!
You gotta eat, honey.
Bless you. No more. Goodbye.